Sandy here. I'm going to take candy review. Today we're going to be doing the pancakes and syrup jelly beans, candy corn. It's from jelly bean. It's from it, but it's not jelly bean. And then this one, I already tried it out. It's disgusting, so we're not going to do this one. It's so many of you want to see it. I'll probably do it at the end. But oh yeah, by the way, this is Sandra. If I haven't said, I'm sorry. It's candy corn. Mommy, I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm doing a YouTube video. Sorry about that. Pretty good. They're pulling up. Very good. Candy corn, pancakes, so good. I'm gonna call this one. Oh no. Candy no for licorice. I call this Candylicious. I call this sweet something. So, I'm going to say, well, those two were pretty good. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. That was kind of, the licorice one blew my mouth up. That was disgusting. But, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.